My name is Kevin Nathaniel, and I want to welcome you to It's All About Rhythm. This video is actually for you to participate with. So please be clapping along with us. Please be playing these rhythms with us. This is for you to learn from. So engage yourself in all of our rhythms and clapping with us, please. A clave in general is a short rhythm that actually tells you how a whole rhythm structure moves. Oftentimes, when you hear rhythm, you hear it as moving, but you don't quite know how it moves. The clave tells you how it moves. So that's what's special about a clave. And this following rhythm is actually Caribbean clave, all throughout the Caribbean, in Africa, and all throughout the Caribbean. You hear this clave a lot. All right, so remember to walk around while you play these rhythms. Be playful about the whole thing, okay? Have fun with it, because the more fun you're having with it, the more you're gonna learn about it. Okay, now we're moving to a more complex section where we go into an 8-beat phrase, and we're actually going to play another clave. This clave is known as son clave, also called salsa clave, or sometimes called 3-2 clave. And let's see what it sounds like. Now I'm going to do the son clave on the shaker ray. Here we go. We'll remind you how it goes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's very important to learn rhythms in different cycles, and especially one of the reasons why you want to learn these rhythms in different cycles is because at some point in your musical reach, you want to layer rhythms. You want to layer cycles in 3 beats, cycles in 5 beats, cycles in 6 beats, cycles in 8 beats, cycles in 10 beats, cycles in 13 beats. You want to layer these cycles. You want to be able to make them flow at the same time and find out where they land together and where they diverge. And in this process, you're actually going to stretch melodic capacity, because melodic capacity is going to change depending upon what rhythm cycles you're using. Some melodies that you couldn't play in one cycle, you can play in another cycle. Some melodies won't even come to your mind unless you're playing a certain rhythm cycle. Okay, this is the last clave, and this is a clave. This is a clave that we refer to as African American clave, schools I came up in. And this is also the clave that you'll hear in a very popular song by James Brown that you've probably heard called Funky Good Time. The actual name of the song is Doing It to Death, but we all know it as Funky Good Time. So let's hear how that clave sounds. Thank you all for joining me in this class. We've got a lot more music tutorials here at Dig Project, so I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and get the latest updates. Thanks again for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.